Do you know what it truly means to be yourself? For many who grew up in dysfunctional homes, one of the greatest struggles is the confusion of not knowing who they really are. To survive, you learn to please others and hide your emotions. Over time, your real face disappeared, leaving only a thick emotional mask. Today, in Unit 9, we begin the journey to take off that mask and rediscover the person God originally created you to be. Why are we so afraid to show our true selves? At the root lies shame, the deep-seated lie that says, "I won't be loved as I am." To survive within the family, we adopt specific roles. You might have been the scapegoat, carrying everyone's faults, the hero, seeking family pride through perfection, the quiet child trying to stay invisible, or the rebel, constantly causing trouble. But remember, these roles are not your true identity. They are merely survival substitutes you chose to endure the pain. In a dysfunctional home, healthy self-identity is hard to build. A child learns to deny their own needs just to stabilize a volatile home or please an unhappy parent. If emotions like sadness or anger were forbidden, you might now feel as if a piece of your soul is missing. Without the specific validation that says, "You are precious and unique," we lose our individuality and start molding ourselves to meet the world's external standards. Here is the most important truth. Romans 8 declares that no hardship, stress, or hidden memory can separate you from the love of God. God's goal for you is not just survival. It is a victorious life, where your past becomes a springboard for your future. The gospel confirms that Christ died for us not when we were perfect, but when we were at our weakest and most shameful. Don't let your background define your worth. You are a unique masterpiece, handcrafted by God. How can you start taking off the mask? First, find trusted people who can act as a mirror. You need someone who can reflect the positive traits you've lost the ability to see in yourself. Second, start journaling. Record your honest thoughts, dreams, and what you truly like or dislike. Third, embrace the freedom to fail. You don't have to make perfect decisions. By trying new things and even realizing you don't like some of them, you learn who you truly are. True spiritual maturity is accepting yourself exactly as you are in Christ. When you stop performing to meet others' expectations, the image of God hidden behind the mask begins to emerge. God's love is the only foundation that never changes. I pray that you find your true face within that unconditional love.